Let's keep the cars for a moment and adore this beautiful home. It has a lot of glass steps and a swimming pool, as you can see. Let's get into the building and you meet more glass stairways. Check out this sitting area, this kitchen area with the wine bar. And going forward, if you see that piano set, and I'm looking at this light, it has a lot of fancy light, as you see. As we walk up and go down the stairs, we'll meet more sitting area. You would like more wine bars, the snooker, the home cinema. It's a lot. Haha. Let's get up and see some magic. Check out these lights and let me know what you think. Let's get into one of the rooms and you'll be shocked to see it has an open space in front with a bathtub. It's amazing. Let me know, drop your comments. Are you liking that? Did you subscribe? Let me know what you think about this particular one, because more of this coming soon.